Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video will watch the best digital air fryer plus rotisserie from over 13,135 customer reviews and brand Chefman. Capacity 10 liters. Chefman Multifunctional. This versatile product functions as an air fryer, rotisserie spit, oven, and dehydrator, perfect for nearly any rapid cooking or baking task. Make healthy fries with less or no oil for that perfectly crispy and tasty. Roast a whole chicken, or dehydrate that leftover produce you've been meaning to eat. Maximum versatility. Air fry. Achieve the crispy, fried finish that you love right at home. Restaurant quality meals can be ready in minutes using little to no oil. Rotisserie. Mix things up with the simple rotisserie function, perfect for evenly cooking shish kebabs or whole chickens using the dishwasher-safe rotisserie spit. Dehydrate. Preserve your favorite fresh fruits and vegetables and create the perfect portable snack with the dehydrate function, which is also perfect for DIY herb mixes in minutes. Bake. Forget about firing up the oven. Create less heat in the kitchen and save time by cutting out preheating. Bake your favorite sweets and sides right on the counter. The Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus is a versatile tool to create healthier, more satisfying meals instantly. The extra-large capacity and ability to fry with little to no oil makes this combination air fryer plus oven the most useful appliance in your kitchen. XL capacity. The spacious 10-liter family-sized capacity is perfect for easy weeknight dinners, prepping school lunches, baking festive desserts, or entertaining a crowd. 17 cooking presets. Cook meals at the push of a button with 3 cooking functions and 17 easy preset. Plus, the rotate button turns your air fryer into a rotisserie pro. Dishwasher-safe accessories. All stainless steel accessories are also dishwasher-safe for added convenience, so you can prep, cook, and enjoy without worrying about cleanup. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section. Also, if you like my video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.